Hi, this is Matt with Learn About Law. Let's get into the recent changes in Iowa's DUI laws. You might be wondering if there were any major shakeups in 2024. Well, not really, but it's always good to stay informed. Let's get into the details and make sure that everyone's on the same page. First things first, what's OWI? In Iowa, we use operating while under the influence, or OWI, while some states, like Illinois, go with DUI, which stands for driving under the influence. Different terms, but the same deal. Driving while intoxicated. Now, Iowa's law is pretty straightforward. You're in for an OWI if you're operating a vehicle under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Have any alcohol concentration of 0.08 or more, or have any controlled substance in your system. Consequences are not light. For a first offense, you're looking at a minimum of 48 hours in jail, a fine of up to $1,250, and possibly losing your license for up to a year. And trust me, it gets more severe with multiple offenses. Let's talk about the ignition interlock device, or IID, a real game changer in preventing drunk driving. If you need one, make sure to use an approved vendor. This device won't let your car start if it detects any alcohol in your system. And a word of caution, tampering with it is a serious misdemeanor. In 2024 didn't bring any major changes to Iowa's OWI laws. It's crucial to remember the amendments from 2021, especially regarding IID requirements for first-time offenders. If you're a first-time offender, installing an IID might help you avoid license revocation, allowing you to maintain your livelihood and responsibilities even during the revocation period. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments. We're here to answer. Give us a like if you find these legal insights helpful. Now, what if your license is revoked? That's where the temporary restricted license comes in. It's a lifeline to legally get to work or school. To get one, you'll need to pay a $200 penalty, show proof of financial responsibility, and of course, have an IID installed. Understanding how OWI convictions can impact your life and finances is crucial. For more detailed information and legal assistance, check out the description below and on how to reach us. Remember, we're here to help you navigate through it all. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more legal news daily.